all my children know that they're Jewish, and we're Jewish. I, I mean, I bar mitzvahed my grandson. I said to tell you what it's about, and this is not conventional, but I bar mitzvahed him. We sat down alone, and I explained it to him, and in a way, in relation to the transition and of becoming a man and the meaning of it, and how we make things, of such meaning and such significance. And although this was and is in so many ways so primitive, so primitive, but really down, 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 down deep. The greater part of unorthodox is orthodox. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I more than appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, yeah.